Hello YouTube. Right, we've done the trailer hitch and I said that I wanted to do more on the trailer. I'll show you the rest of the hitch once I've done this little bit. You'll probably see what I've done extra already. But basically the centre of the UJ was made 12 years ago, over a decade ago, and it was made from thin, about 2mm steel flat plate, and I bent it and I welded it and all sorts, and it's not the best anymore and it looks messy, and I just thought I'll redo it. And I thought, could I just get some flat steel and redo the same thing again? No, but a bit of box section would do it. And I figured out it was 4 centimetres, a 4 centimetre by 4 centimetre box section that I needed, and I only need 8 centimetres of it. So I thought I'd buy in about 10 centimetres. Turned out to be a metre. It goes on and on and on and on and on. And it's 3mm thick, so it's a lot thicker and meatier. And I've got a plan and see how it works. So this little section basically got a bit there, goes that way, goes that way. So basically you can see what we're doing. We're just remaking or making the centre section stronger. This is 3mm thick. Look how thick that is. So this should be plenty strong enough, but I have an idea as well that I want to try. So because I've got a metre of it, if it doesn't work the first time, I'll just make another one. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to cut 8 centimetres off here. Right. Now this should be fairly square. Should be. It's square that way. Turn it over. And it's square that way. So this end is square. So we're going to go from this end because the other end isn't square, I've checked. So we'll do it 8 centimetres there. It doesn't actually have to be accurate. I've said that so many times before. But that's fine, that's fine. Because we're going to chamfer the edges anyway. What is 8? I've cleaned this up already using some sugar soap, so there shouldn't be any crap on there. And then, what am I doing? There we go. Do it that way. And what we'll do is we'll do the same trick we did on the roundabout, on the round tube. It's basically a nice thick black line, and then we angle grind down the line, and that should give us what we need. So yes, I'm doing all the edges exactly the same, so I get a fairly square cut. Right, that should do it. That should do it. So now we've got 8 centimetres to cut off. So basically I'll cut down this line. It should be fairly straight. Right, this is going to be noisy. As you can see, I'm leaving a little bit extra. So and then just flap disc the rest of the metal away to the line. So I don't have to be accurate on this point. I just need to be accurate-ish. And that'll do it. That'll do it. Yeah, it'll do it. It's fine. It doesn't actually have to be accurate. It'll do. Right. Now the next bit. Right, so we've got a tube, and it'll do. It'll do. It's a bit messy, but we're going to clean that up later after we've done this bit. Now I need holes there and there. So basically, that can do that, and that can do that. So. Not this. We need some better light in here, but we have no better light. So my first point is to find the centre of the two. I could do it that way, but because it's like bang on 8 centimetres, could do this way. Just cross it across there. Cross it across there. That's about the middle. If we look, it's off by a little bit, so that way is not going to work. So I'm going to rub that one out. So I have to do it this way. So that'll be 8 centimetres, 4 centimetres there, 4 centimetres there. That's the middle. I'll do that all the way around. That is basically halfway. So it's 4 centimetres, 4 centimetres. I've put in a line right in the middle, bang on. So what I need to do now is basically find the middle on this side, put a mark there, and then find the middle on this side, put a mark there, and basically we drill straight down through it. That's 4, that's 8, that's 2 centimetres there, 2 centimetres there. Gives us that line there. That's what we've got to work with. Basically straight edge of steel. It's saying there. Move it around. Same again. Stay still. Stay still. Bang on, that's the centre. That's the centre. That's where we're drilling. Oh, this is convoluted. This is convoluted. Now I've got to do the same on this section here. Exactly the same. There. There. Done it. Now we go away. So basically, you see that? That should be in the middle, and that bit should be in the middle. So we've done that bit, and all we do is drill through, pillar drill, all the way through. Right, I've got it set on the pillar drill. I've got it lined up exactly where I need to be. Exactly. It is perpendicular to the drill, so it should all be fine. Everything's clamped up. I am using a 6mm bit, and then I have a 9mm that I'll use to drill the hole. I can always enlarge the hole, can't reduce the hole. So basically what I'm doing is I'm doing it a little bit smaller than I need to. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill from the outside in and not all the way through, because then we can see if the holes line up and things like that. But this is my old pillar drill. I've got this stuff, which should, there we go, looby looby looby. That's that done. We now have hole, 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 hole. You can see how this is working out. Let's clean that up. Clean all this up as well. The old toothbrushes have a lot of uses. You can see it goes all the way through, and I'm lining, I've got it loose in the jig, and I'm lining the holes up as far as I can, then tightening the vise. So then that should give me a perfect alignment all the way through, hopefully. Yeah, that works. side. Clean all that up. Where's my toothbrush gone? There we go. That should do it. That should do it. That should do it. Hey. It works. It works. Right, there we go. It's done. We've got the holes in approximately the right places. We've done measuring. It should be fine. That pillar drill went straight through. There was a little problem with this hole. I think it had gone off centre ever so slightly, but because I did it all the way through on the pillar drill, it should be fine. It should be in the right. It looks about the right place now. It looks more central than it was before. And if I take an old bolt, let's pop that through there. You can see how that's supposed to work. That goes up and down, and so we get the side to side. Let's take another bolt. And we get to side, or side to side, as I say. See? That's how it's supposed to work, and it should be strong enough because the one that's in there at the moment used to be a lot weaker. Right, it's job done. More things to do with this, so see you next time. Ride safe. Goodbye, YouTube.